So we're talking about the customer portal for Red Hat, and it's literally, I always emphasize that it's a customer portal. So we're trying to give our customers in a central way that they can come to us and they see all what Red Hat offers from a subscription perspective. You come to access.redhat.com, it's one area that you get actually your subscription value, right? You get your downloads, you can open support tickets, you get your K-bases, you get your documentation, you get reference architectures, you get everything that you need for your whole life cycle. You run into like a little problem, you get a K-base, right? You can solve the problem yourself, or you can access support as well through Access, right? The search capabilities is pretty interesting. It searches in all kind of areas, right? It searches the K-base, our knowledge base. Part of our workflow in engineering and support to actually generate these K-base articles to help you as a customer, right? The search also hits into like the Baxilla, the defect tracking tool. It hits in the documentation, it hits in other areas, hits in the training materials, and that's what we present you in one view. So the downloads as well, right? If you look at what we've done, right? We always had RHN, our network, right? Red Hat network, and where you go and you download your bits, right? There was one web property, right? We pulled this into the portal, right? If you were a customer buying RHEL and JBoss, you had two areas to go to, right? And it was different presented. Now we actually pull it together in the portal. So you will find your RPMs for your RHEL, you will find your zip files for the JBoss deployments, you find all the content, the bits that you need from Red Hat. So knowledge-centered support is a very interesting methodology that we started a few years back. And what it basically does is on each support ticket, either you find a solution which has been already documented, or as a support engineer, you actually create a solution. And all these solutions will be published on the K-base. So that way you can actually go as a customer, go in there and you see what's generated, right? And we also provide, these are the top 5 issues that you're hitting, right? How can we help you to be successful during planning, deployment, operation, maintenance, upgrades? That's what's the difference, right? You get into one area, you find it. So yeah, I see the customer portal, absolutely. I see that as a customer community. We interact with the customer.